Hello, Blue Stamp students. This is Parth, one of your instructors, and today I'm going to be going over how to create your website. So by now, all of you should already have your WordPress account set up, and this tutorial is going to show you how to set up your portfolio. So let's get started. Once you log in, you should see your dashboard page, and you want to set up your portfolio. So we're going to go over to the left-hand side and search for portfolios and click on all portfolios. This is going to lead you to a page with all the portfolios of all the students from previous years and all of that. What we want to find is the student template. So we're going to go over here on the right hand side and just search student. Just the word student is fine. And what's going to show up is a bunch of student templates. Now you want to choose the correct student template. There is a student template here which just says student template, not the draft, nothing else, just student template with 2018 as the date. And you want to choose this template and you want to duplicate it. So you're going to click this button here that says duplicate this. What this is going to do is going to create a copy of the student template, and it's going to show up and redirect you back to the page. So this over here is going to be your draft, and that's going to be your portfolio. So we want to edit this and customize it to your needs. So let's click edit over here. This is going to be your website. So this is the main page where you're going to be doing all of your edits. So as you can see over here, this is the part of the website that you can edit. It's going to show all of these random boxes, and these boxes are just sections of the website, as you'll see very shortly. But this is where all of your edits are going to happen. So first thing you want to do is change student template and rename your portfolio. So I'm just going to name it something random. Let's just call it Billy J. And we also want to change the link. So you can change the link to something like Billy J, your name in 2019, or anything that makes sense really, and change the link. And then if you click on this link, it's going to show you the actual template. So if someone was actually to go out there and click your website, they're going to end up at this. So right now it's pretty ugly. It just shows a lot of text, but this is where all your milestone videos and all of your reflections and things like that will go. So we want to edit this a little bit. So let's start editing. We can go over here and we can see all of these boxes over here with grade and your high school and your name. Never add your last name, by the way. We can edit all of this stuff by hovering over the different boxes and clicking on the little pencil icon. And then this is going to pop up. So of course we can change this to Billy J. That's just a random name I chose. And then if we want to update these changes, we're going to have to click publish. So first time it's going to be published, but after that there's going to be a button called update. It's really, really important that you click this update button. It says save changes, but that doesn't actually save the changes. You have to click the update button right here on the right side of the page to actually update the website once you're done with your changes. So I recommend personally anything that you change, you instantly just press the update button so you don't forget about it later. So if we refresh the page here, we just changed, this is live by the way, anyone can access this. We just changed the name. So now instead of Zachary, it says Billy J. So now we can add a lot of different things here. So if we want to go and add a video, you can go and add a video as well. So if we scroll to the bottom here, there's a free little section of the page that doesn't have anything yet. So we can click on this plus sign and we can add. There's a lot of different things we can add. So if you wanted to add your milestone video, for example, you would click on video player. If you click on this video player, it'll come up with all of this other stuff. You can title it. So let's call this a video. I know it's not very creative, but for demonstration purposes only, you can put in your YouTube links. So all of your milestone videos will be posted to the Blue Stamp YouTube page. You can copy paste those links right here into WordPress and save changes. So now we have a video player right here up and running. So we can update this and we can see what it looks like on our website. So if we refresh this, so now if we scroll down, we can see that the video was added and the title here was also added. So perfect, this is what we wanted. Of course, this doesn't look very good, but it's your job to go and customize your own website and make it look really good. This is just an overview to get you started. So you can add a lot of different things. You can add images as well. So we can go over here and we can add something new. So you can search whatever you want, really. There's a lot of different things. There's an image right here, so we can click on the image and we can add an image. So we can call this an image and we can upload any image that we want. I will just choose this mask thing and set that as the image, and we can save changes. Of course, never forget to press this update button on the right hand side once you add the image. So we'll update that, and then we can go ahead and we can refresh this page. You can go down and you can see that the image has also been added to the website. So just go through and play around with this and have fun making your website and your documentation look really nice.